Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about a remedy. I upload a video every month to tell you all about an Amavasya remedy, a new moon remedy. And this particular remedy which I tell you all will protect you in your life, will protect you from all the dangers of this life, will protect you from all the troubles, miseries, difficulties in your life. If you do this remedy religiously, if you do this remedy with faith, I am telling you that you will be protected. You will be protected in your life from all dangers. So I'm gonna speak about this remedy in this video. This remedy which I'm talking about is a charity. And you will agree with me that there is no harm in giving charity. This particular charity, this particular remedy of Amavasya, new moon, can protect you in your life. So make sure you do this remedy on the 2nd of January 2022, which is an Amavasya day, which is a new moon day. It would be a fantastic way to start your 2022. The fact is that no one has ever become poor by giving. What goes around comes around. So if you give something to someone, then it will definitely come back to you. It will definitely come back to you in your life, multiplying itself. What goes around comes around. So what you give, you get back. So there is no loss for y'all in doing this charity. So at this point in time, you need to think that you need to do this charity anyhow. This charity wouldn't cost you too much. But if you do this charity, I'm certain that you will get a lot of happiness in your life. You will get a lot of joy in your life. You will experience the joy of giving in this life. A study shows that a person only utilizes 32% of his wealth in his or her life, and the rest he leaves it behind. So all you have to do is that you have to do this charity from that 68% you will leave behind on this planet Earth unutilized. So utilize that money at this point in time and do this particular charity. A roof without a drainage starts to leak. So this drainage which I'm talking about is your charity, are your charities in your life. If that roof which doesn't have a drainage accumulates water, then it will start to leak. Similarly, if you accumulate your wealth, if you accumulate money without any sort of drainage, without any sort of charity or philanthropy in your life, then you will experience a leak in your life. And that leak in your life will be in the form of hospitalizations, court cases, troubles, obstacles, hurdles, and barriers in your life. So if you want to remove your barriers, hurdles, and obstacles, if you don't want to undergo any sort of pain in your life, then you must give something from your wealth. You must give something from your money. Whenever we give something to someone, we bring a smile on their faces. That means they experience happiness. And the happiness we give to them will increase a million folds, and it will come back to us. And it will come back to us in our lives. Remember one thing, that we always rise in life by lifting others. So by doing a charity, you are lifting someone. You are lifting someone in their life, and therefore you will rise in your life. And I want to tell you all this also, that never think that your charities, your donations are going a waste. Some people think that if no one has seen them doing a charity, their donations are going a waste. No, it doesn't work that way. If no one has seen you doing a charity, God has. And He has noted those charities and donations in His supercomputer. And God is gonna reward you when you need that reward the most. When you have your back towards the wall, God will reward you for all your charities and donations. God will then make a way out of no way. And those charities and donations which you give are gonna multiply itself and is gonna be sent to you by God. So don't ever think that you are making a mistake by doing a charity. And one more thing I wanna tell you all, that don't ever flaunt about your charity. Don't make a public show of your charity. You know, some seeds grow best when they are sown under the ground, when they are underground. So charity is that kind of seed. When you sow it underground without telling anyone, without flaunting your charities, then that seed will give you a lot of fruits in your life. It will give you peace and calmness. When you sit under that tree will protect you. I mean, you are gonna reap your rewards for that charity. So charity is that kind of seed which you have to keep it a secret. Don't let anyone know about your charities. In fact, if you give your charity with your right hand, then your left hand shouldn't know. And if you give this charity, then I want to tell you all that you are gonna receive a lot of happiness in your life. You are gonna receive a lot of joy in your life. You are gonna see ecstasy in your life. You are gonna be blessed by God in your life, because by doing a charity, you are becoming a partner of God. You are helping God's children. You are doing God's work. Oh, what a partnership that would be. You know, if you get a chance to do charity, thank God that you are in a giver's position, not in a receiver's. You know, my mother used to tell me, son, always keep your hands towards the ground. Always keep your palms towards the ground. She meant that always keep your hands towards the ground to give charity. And my mother told me, pray that no one has to keep his palm towards the sky. By that she meant ask something from someone, ask money from someone. Because asking money or something from someone will make you lose your self-esteem. So let us all pray to God that we always get a chance to give to someone else, not take from someone else. Because the joy is always in giving, not receiving. Well, now without wasting any more time, I want to tell you all about this Amavasya remedy which you have to do on the 2nd of January 2022. You know, what you have to do is very simple. I mean, this charity is very simple. You have to give 23 rupees each to 12 different poor people. That means you have to distribute 276 rupees in total. So each person gets 23 rupees and you have to distribute 23 rupees each to 12 different poor people. If you are staying abroad, then you can give $2.30 to 12 different poor people. $27.60. The second step of this remedy is that you have to give 2 black umbrellas or 2 black blankets to 2 different poor people. You know, you can give these 2 blankets or 2 umbrellas to 2 different poor people to whom you have given that money. I mean that 23 rupees or $2.30. So you can give this blanket or umbrella to those same people to whom you have given that money. And lastly, you will have to give an orange beverage to 6 different poor people. By an orange beverage, I mean you can distribute a Fanta orange or an orange juice to 6 different poor people. You can either buy 6 PET bottles of Fanta orange or 6 PET bottles of orange juice and distribute it to 6 different poor people. This orange beverage has to be distributed to 6 different poor people, not the ones to whom you have given that money or umbrella or that blanket. So this 6 different poor people have to be some other poor people to whom you haven't given that money or that umbrella or blanket. Well, this is all you have to do during this Amavasya. And I am certain that if you do this remedy, God is gonna protect you from all the dangers of this life. He or she is gonna give you tremendous protection in your life. Well, this is all I wanted to tell you all about this Amavasya remedy. And if you think you need some specific predictions about yourself, if you need guidance in your life through astrology, then I want to tell you all that you can contact me directly. And if you want me to pray for you, because prayer can move mountains. And if you want me to pray for your health, wealth, success, prosperity, business, money, job, profession, relationships, love relationships, health, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. And if you want a Vastu visit of your flat, office, residence, factory, etc., 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 then also you can contact me. And if you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.